How to connect VZX to your iPad wirelessly. First, grab your iPad and go to the App Store. Search for IPEVO and install the IPEVO Whiteboard app. Alternatively, you can install the Visualizer app. Then turn on VZX. Make sure VZX is in Wi-Fi mode. The amber LED indicates that the wireless is on. Check the bottom of VZX to find its SSID. Then go to Settings, turn on the Wi-Fi, and connect to the SSID. Once connected, launch Whiteboard. Select the DocCam icon. You are now wirelessly connected to VZX. For Visualizer, select the DocCam icon and select VZX. For more information, visit us at IPEVO.com.